just going to show you how to make a contact sheet. So you need to be into Photoshop. Ideally have your photographs that you want in your contact sheet pre-organised in a folder where you know the location, and you're going to go to File, down to Automate, and then click Contact Sheet 2. Dialog box will come up, and this is where you will add in your kind of information here. So I am going to choose a folder, and then I know I want to have shoot 1, and you can see I can't select my individual images, which is why you need to have it in a folder all grouped together. I'm going to do open, so I know that I'm going to have all of the images that I have in there. You can decide on your paper size. Typically it just automatically comes out A4. If you want to fit it to A3, then obviously you can change those measurements. Then you can decide where it says thumbnails, how they kind of use auto spacing, if they go across first, or if they're going from left to right and across in that way, or if you want them going top to bottom, down first. Again, entirely up to you. You can decide how many columns you want, so depending on how many photographs you have, you can have obviously more than, I would say, about 20 or 30 images on there. You can have them where they're really quite small, especially if you are printing on A3. You can perhaps afford to have kind of 8-10 columns, and then the same with the number of rows. I'm going to just do 5 by 5 here. I'm going to click OK, and it will automatically generate that for you. So it's putting all the photographs into little individual layers. It takes a little minute, and then you'll see all of your images pop in. So in my folder I only had 4 images, which is why you see that there. If I had 25, the full thing would be filled. Again, it's entirely up to you how many images you pop on a sheet. You just want to make sure that in your editing process you annotate your contact sheets. So whether it is a kind of score through them, so say for example I want to do a red line through the images that I know I definitely don't want, so say I didn't want this one, I can literally just score that there. I don't have to have that line. I might want to create a little bounding box in green, or you can even insert a little tick, circle it if you're printing out and annotating over the top of it. Again, you do not have to do it to every single image. I would just recommend that you have a couple green, maybe some red, and an amber on there, like a little traffic light system. So green is the photographs that you definitely want to take forward. Orange are the ones that you're not quite sure might require a good bit of editing, and then the red are the ones that you definitely don't want. So these ones could be underexposed, overexposed, maybe the composition is not quite right. What you can also do on here is you can even kind of crop or draw in little boxes as to where you feel you could crop your contact sheets. So again, just to reiterate, to make it, you go to File, Automate, Contact Sheet, and then you can select your folder.